Well, elderberries are really known during cold and flu season. That's where a majority of people take elderberry supplementation. And the heart of it is they're one of nature's top antiviral herbs. A lot of research has been conducted that has shown that elderberries help combat viruses. So a lot of people not only take it to support their immune system as a preventative, taking it every single day, but they also know that if they don't feel well, they can consume it as a natural remedy and it helps combat those symptoms naturally. Even thinking about Hippocrates, the father of medicine, they actually he referred to elderberries as his medicine chest thousands of years ago. And that's where more and more people are now starting to lean into herbs and, of course, the elderberry during cold and flu season. So, those are just some of the things. And, I think it's important too to know that in 1995, during the Panama flu epidemic, the government actually employed the use of elderberry to combat the flu.
How
And I
about
find
that?
it really interesting. You can actually, Google search that and learn more about it. But there's been a lot of awareness with elderberry, especially during cold and flu season. And what's really unique is elderberries have a protein property called anthocyanins in them. And what they do is they essentially help protect our cells. So if we're taking elderberry as a preventative, these properties shield our cells from the penetration of the virus to take hold, which essentially works as a preventative, right? And then if you're not feeling well and now you're consuming it for additional support and taking more of it, what it essentially is doing is preventing those cells from replicating. And that's why you have a relief of symptoms so much faster. So it really gets down to a cellular level. And then, of course, with them being rich in antioxidants, they're also helping to reverse cellular damage. And at the heart of it, our cells are what are
Yeah.
making or bringing our health on a daily basis. So it's very, very fascinating when you look into the different properties they have and how they work with our body.